Hi everyone, it's Rob here and welcome to another unboxing. Yeah, the RC Elf has struck again, shall we say, and sent me this fantastic Monster Beetle trail. I've got Mark helping me out with the camera.
Hi guys.
And yeah, I'm as ever just flabbergasted again. So thank you very much, RC Elf, and I think we'll get straight in and unbox it, eh dude?
Yep, let's do it, mate. I'll get out your way best I can.
Right.
Nice few different sections there in the box. That's
Yeah,
unusual, isn't it?
It is.
Although this one is a little bit more expensive, isn't it, Rob?
It is a bit more, yes, but it has got these reduction gears, or I can't remember what they call them now.
Portals.
Portals, that's the one,
Yeah.
yes. Well, it is a GF-01, but with these portals.
Right, so this is like the same chassis as my dump truck then, yeah?
Yes.
And I think it's got the same size wheels and tyres. I don't think they're the
I
same.
think
They're the
so.
same tyres, yeah. There's pin spikes.
Yeah.
So the same tyres, but the body looks very small. Well, we'll see when you get out.
We will.
Well, we'll see against the size
Yeah.
of your hands, because it looks tiny to me compared
Yeah,
to the
I think,
ordinary.
shall we unpack them all and get them out of the plastic?
Yeah, because otherwise it's going to take us ages,
It
isn't it?
is, isn't it?
Right, let's get it on the table, shall we?
Yeah.
Yeah. See you in a bit.
And here we are. It's all unpacked. Well, most of it anyway.
There's a lot, isn't there, son?
Yeah, more than I thought there was going to be.
Goodness me.
But hey,
Where are you going to start, dude?
let's start off with bearings.
Go on then.
I can't actually throw them away
No.
because there are some actual ball bearings in this kit. I don't know why they only supply you with those, but they did.
And brass bushes.
But yeah, the brass bushes will go into my spares, and the plastic ones again in the bin because I've got that many.
Yeah.
Because I've got the full set of ball bearings, including these mini 630 ones. I think there's 16 in this kit.
They're tiny, aren't they?
They are. And they are for the portal.
Right.
So that'll be interesting when we get to that. We then got
Got to
Out of
do it in order,
sequence.
do it in order, Rob.
Yeah.
ABC.
parts bag A. Quite heavy.
Because it's got
Metal
the diff,
differential.
the diff gears in.
Yeah.
Yeah. The light reflects off the plastic quite a bit, Rob. That's it.
And yeah, the steel bars, which I'm assuming are for the diffs and all the other intermediate gears.
The transfer gears, they call it now, I think. What?
So,
idler
yeah.
gears.
Idler
gears.
gears, that's the one, yeah. Because it's, yeah, basically the GF-01 chassis.
Yeah. I should know, shouldn't I? I've just built one.
You have, sir. Parts bag B, even more metal bits, including these portal gears.
Right, again, we're having trouble with the reflections on the plastic here, mate.
That one.
Yeah, yeah, that's it. Yeah, you can see that.
And so that'll be interesting to see how that all goes together. And then parts bag C, which looks like these shocks and the springs for the front bumper.
Yep.
And
Bit more
ball
hardware.
joints and stuff.
Yep.
And actual bit of rubber for the actual friction shocks, not the pogo sticks.
Yep.
So they are going on, to be honest, because the size of these.
Ooh.
I can't see the point in having oil shocks because these are going to bounce more than the shocks, I reckon.
I think you're right there, mate.
So anyway,
Although I have got a set of alloy shocks for my dump truck that Peter sent me.
well,
So we'll see,
if
won't
you
we?
get them,
We'll
yeah,
see.
we can do a comparison.
We can.
And here's all the idle gears and the diffs. Just the one or two.
Yep.
And as mentioned before, these are the portal gears that reduce the gear ratio down.
The
I can't
portal
remember.
housings. Sorry,
Yes.
Rob. Sorry.
That's all right. I was just thinking, what's he going on about?
Well, they're not gears, are they? Son?
No, I know.
You can cut this bit out, by the way.
The obligatory, quite squidgy
They're very soft plastics, aren't they?
plastic bits. So we've got shock bodies, wishbones,
A-arms. Sorry, you're right, they're wishbones.
bumper that we're not using. I don't
No,
think we're
not gonna
using
use
this
that.
one.
Not going to use that.
And you get two of them.
More soft plastics, Rob.
More soft plastics, yes.
You won't be using that big one.
No, I'm not going to put that one on. Not even for the when I convert it. But apparently, even though it's the trial one, or trail, it tells you to install the wheelie bar.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming that's just to stop you from rolling backwards if you're going up a steep hill.
Maybe. Because it is a really short wheelbase, isn't it? Even for,
It is, yeah.
for a trail or a crawler.
It is. And more plastic bits, which most of it we're not going to be using.
No, you won't be using these sidebars.
No. So, but I will put that bumper on.
Yep.
Anyway, and then the main chassis stroke diff stroke gearbox housing.
Yep, it's all in
all
one, isn't
in
it?
one.
Like you said before, the motor goes in the centre,
Yep.
doesn't it, and drives forward and aft through the gears.
Yeah, and all the steering bits.
Yep. And your battery cover.
Oh, yes. We've got 4 of the wheels, which we think might be the same.
I think they're the same as the dump truck. They are hard plastic as well, aren't they?
They
They're
are,
not
yeah.
flexible at all, are they?
No.
So yeah.
So, and more suspension-y bits.
These are the stock
They are,
GF-01.
Yeah.
What do you call them? Knuckles,
Yeah.
hubs.
Stub axle housings.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know if I think we may end up using those anyway, the
C-hubs.
C-hubs.
You don't use these parts. I don't know what
No.
those are for. So,
Yeah, those look like for the prop shaft
looks like for a
housings.
transfer, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, we're getting there now then,
Here
Rob.
we are.
Oh, here's the
We then
thing
come-
that makes it different. Look at that massive size of that beetle. It's enormous. I don't know if you can see that, guys. It's tiny, isn't it, Rob?
It is, yeah. Yeah, I don't even think it's not as big as the Monster Beetle one, is it?
It's tiny, Rob.
Even though
that
it is supposed to be a Monster Beetle.
Yeah. Oh, I just stuck that in. That's the separate
Yes.
plastic part, isn't it?
Yeah, for the smoked windows.
Yep.
So yeah, it's quite a bit smaller. Then there's this yellow flexible rubber plastic thing which we've discovered holds part of the chrome plastic motor mount. So we've got build all of that. This is another part of it.
It's quite nice, isn't it, that?
Yeah.
Put a bit of detail on that, Rob.
I might do.
Might be nice putting a bit of detail on the grill bits and stuff.
Yeah. And the exhaust, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
And then spotlights.
Nice chrome spots. Yeah, they're nice. Another bit here somewhere.
And yeah, this bit here, I'm not sure. I think it goes in the something like that, maybe or something. I can't remember
Yeah.
till I get to the install guide.
So I think we covered all the parts there, haven't we, Rob? You didn't show the motor, mate. Did you?
No. No, we get a standard torque tuned.
Are you going to put that in, or got other plans, mate?
I think I might put it in for now,
Yeah.
and then
See how it goes.
because I still haven't quite decided what I want to do at some point is either build it as a stock GF-01
Right.
without the portals.
So it's fast, basically.
So
Well,
it's
not
fast.
fast, but faster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I can put it up against your dump truck.
Right. Well, I've only got that motor in mine.
Right, that's fair enough then. And then either afterwards convert it to the portal to give it a go, or put the portal on first and give it a go, because I think I need to get some of the stub axles
Right, yeah, yeah.
for the outer dog bone
Yep.
connections, because that is definitely completely different.
Yep. Okay,
But that's all to come.
all to come. Plenty
Yeah.
of fun, yeah?
Not many stickers.
Can't see them. It's I'm in trouble with this light that's overhead. Yeah, I think you can just about see those. But yeah, there's not many, and you can see it's just a small pack.
Thankfully.
Yeah.
And here's the bodywork sheet.
Yep.
And, oh no, it's telling me it wants me to paint the
Oh,
window frames
yeah,
in semi-gloss.
Yeah, they've got to look like rubber, haven't they, dude?
They have, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, and there's how you put the motor together.
Yep, got that.
And turn it over.
Just a few, your lights.
Oh yeah.
And your stickers.
Lights and stickers.
Nice one.
But where's that? Oh, there. I couldn't see the what looked like the exhaust, but it goes there.
Right.
So that's that bit. And then,
I was going to say it's not last, but there's one thing last, but we'll leave that.
yeah, as usual, the step-by-step build guide,
which is the same, I think, as my dump truck, and it will be apart from those
yeah.
portals, won't it?
These are the portals, look.
Yeah, that's all completely new to me. Yeah. Looks like it might be fiddly, that, Rob.
Yeah, but hey, we'll get there. So, there we go.
Yeah.
Not bad at all. Keep me busy for a while, dude.
That's it.
And last but not least, have I shown you the torque-tune motor? Yeah, we talked
you
about that. Pete, wibbly wobbly.
Can't beat a good wobble, can you?
You can't.
Good wobble.
So, I think that's about it, mate.
Yep, I think you've covered it all, mate. I think
Yep.
you've gone all through it. Nice one.
So, I hope you've enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing you on the build series. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Right, and here's the body work video build manual leaflet paper.
Start that again.